ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಇವಾಗ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನೀನು
ಸರ್?
ಕಾಮನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿನಗೆ? ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಂತ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಸರ್. ಅವ್ರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್.
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
A disturbing incident was reported from Bengaluru where a group of miscreants created a commotion at a hotel after being denied food late at night. The incident also sparked controversy over the police response when the hotel owner sought help. The incident took place at Rajarathna Hotel near Kengeri on June 26th at around 11:30 p.m. The hotel had already closed for the day and cleaning work was underway in the kitchen as the staff prepared to shut down operations completely. At that time, a few miscreants entered the premises and demanded food, since the hotel had already closed and the kitchen was being cleaned. The staff informed them that service was no longer available. This reportedly angered the group, who then began threatening the hotel staff. They allegedly warned that they would set the hotel on fire and would not allow it to operate from the following day. As the situation escalated, the hotel owner Madhu Kiran contacted emergency helpline 112 seeking immediate police assistance. Following the call, Hoysala police arrived at the spot. Even after the police reached the location, the miscreants allegedly continued creating a disturbance. The police detained some of the individuals involved and took them to the police station. Later, the hotel owner went to Kengeri police station to file a formal complaint regarding the incident. During the process, he also contacted Kengeri Inspector Jagadish for assistance. However, the situation took an unexpected turn when the inspector reportedly reacted angrily during the call, questioning why he had called at that hour. The inspector allegedly told the complainant, "Are you calling in the middle of the night? Don't you have common sense?" The incident has drawn attention both for the alleged threats made by the miscreants and for the inspector's reported response to the hotel owner's request for police assistance. So viewers, what's your take on this? Share your thoughts in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.